Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you know how important it is to securely manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to withdraw TRX from crypto.com to your Tangem wallet. This process is simple, but always remember, we're dealing with real money, so double check everything to stay safe. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the crypto.com app installed on your phone and your Tangem wallet set up and ready to receive funds. Open the crypto.com app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section. It's usually at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, so find and select TRX from the options. Next, hit the Withdraw button for TRX. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch over to your Tangem Wallet app. Open it up, select the TRX wallet, and copy the wallet address. It's that long string of letters and numbers. Be super careful here. One wrong character could send your TRX to the wrong place. Back in crypto.com, paste that address into the withdrawal field. Then, enter the amount of TRX you want to withdraw. Crypto.com might show you the network fees, so make sure you have enough to cover them. TRX transactions are usually pretty cheap. Before you confirm, enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a game changer for security. Hit confirm and review the details one last time. You'll get a confirmation code via email or app notification. Enter that to finalize the withdrawal. Once it's processed, which might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion, head back to your Tangem wallet to verify the TRX has arrived. And there you have it. Your TRX is now safely in your Tangem wallet. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, check the crypto.com support page or Blockchain Explorers for TRX. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.